Keurig, for use with all Keurig single cup machines only. For best taste, helps prevent flavor transfer when switching between different flavored pods. A clean coffee machine ensures proper hygiene and produces better tasting coffee. 5 cleaning pods, use once a week or whenever changing between sweetened beverages and coffee and tea. For full machine maintenance and optimal taste, use regularly with single cup brewer descaling liquid. No vinegar smell, keeps coffee and tea tasting fresh. Safe, biodegradable, phosphate-free and odorless, removes coffee residue and rinse. Since 1936, Urnex has been a staple of the coffee industry with its cleaning products used, loved and recommended by coffee shops, baristas and coffee connoisseurs. Urnex's single-serve coffee machine cleaning capsules have been developed for K-Cup users so they can enjoy better-tasting coffee from a clean machine. The capsules remove bitter-tasting coffee oils and residue from the brew chamber of your K-Cup machine, helping your cup of coffee brew faster and taste better. Simple to use, just insert a cleaning capsule into the chamber, brew the largest cup size twice, remove the cleaning cup from the chamber and perform 2 brewing cycles just with water to ensure no cleaning solution remains in the coffee maker. This product rinses away completely and is odor-free. For use on K-Cup Single Cup Brewers, Step 1, Cleaning Cup. 1. Place cleaning cup into brewer. 2. Brew largest cup size twice. 3. Remove cleaning cup from brewer. 4. Brew twice to rinse. Top reviews from the United States. Urnex just works. I used to work for a coffee company that has a green and white logo and has stores nationwide. When I was there, we used Urnex for the coffee brewers and it was a fantastic cleaner. There's just something about it that does a great job and requires little effort in scrubbing when you need to clean a large brewer. Obvious if you're using a smaller coffee maker, the brushes aren't that large. With all that being aside, since we are dealing with a Keurig single serve, I think this a nifty little product to do a quick. It's easy to use, and if you do it regularly, I do it once a month, it will keep your system in tip-top shape. Just remember to flush it through your system a few times like the directions say. You don't want to ingest Urnex. Thanks coworkers who threw Urnex into brewers and never cleaned them. No wonder my coffee tasted horrible one day.